નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Hello students, today we will continue the question number 12 of exercise 6.3. This is the topic of standard 10, chapter number 6, triangles. So what is the question? Question is sides AB and BC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ, QR and median PM of triangle PQR. So that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. We have to prove here that this triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQ and R. What is the given condition here is that we have given that side AB of this triangle is proportional with this side PQ. Second side A B then BC, second side BC is proportional with the second side of this triangle QR and median AD is proportional with the median of this triangle, that is PN. From this given condition we have to prove that the triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQ and R. So see, two things we already have, that AB upon PQ and BC upon QR. Two sides we have are already in the proportion. What we have to do is, we have to make these two angles equal. If we can make angle B and Q equal, then by side angle side criteria, we can prove that these two triangles are similar. But how we can do this? See, whatever the given condition we have is, we have to use it. BC is divided into the two equal parts because AD is the median of side BC. So, instead of BC, right, BC is divided into two equal parts. So, instead of BC, here we are writing the condition. See, BD will become equal to BC and both will become equal to 1 half of BC. In the same way, here also PM is the median of the side QR. So QR side is also divided into two parts, QM and MR. So QM will become equal to MR and that is equal to 1 half of QR. Now see, BC is here, QR is here. We can use this condition. If we take this 2 to the left hand side, it will multiply with the 2BD and 2DC. So which out of these two, which condition we have to use? If we want B and Q angles equal, we can take BD. Here instead of BC we have to use 2BD and instead of QR we have to use 2QM. So same condition is there. We have to write down here is that AB upon PQ is equals to, now instead of BC we have to use 2 into BD. 2 into BD upon, instead of QM we have to use 2QM. Instead of QR we have to use 2QM. 2 into QM and that is equals to AD upon BM. If we cancel out this 2 and 2, now see what will remain us. AB upon PQ is equals to BD upon QM is equals to AD upon PM. That means all the three sides of the two triangle A, B, D and triangle PQM. You can see here that all the three sides of these two triangles are in the same proportion. So we can say that these two triangles are similar to each other. According to which criteria? According to the side rule or according to the side criteria. Why we do this thing? Why we prove these two triangles are similar? Because we want to prove that B and Q are equal. So see, if these two triangles are similar, we can write down that now angle ABD will become equal to angle PQM according to the corresponding parts of similar triangle CPST. If these two triangles are similar, then corresponding parts are equal. Now instead of ABD, we can write down ABC. Angle ABC. Or similarly, instead of PQM, we can write down PQR. Angle PQR. What is the reason? Reason is that Q, M and R are collinear, B and C are collinear. Right? So we can write down this condition. Now, in this two triangle ABC, now in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, one of the angle here is give it the equation number. Okay, give it here the equation number 1. Give it the equation number 2. In this two triangle, two sides are in proportion. We can take these two sides from here. AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR. Two sides are in proportion and one of the angle is equal. That is angle ABC is equals to angle PQR. These two things we write down from equation number 1 and 2, right? So if in two triangles, two sides are in proportion and the angle included between these two sides are also equal, then we can say that the two triangles are similar to each other. Therefore, we can write down triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by side angle side criteria or side angle side. So this is how we can prove this sum. Let us study question number 16. Here also we have given that the two triangles, if AD and PM are the medians of triangle ABC and PQR respectively, where triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, we have to prove that AB upon PQ is equals to AD upon PM. AB upon PQ is equals to AD upon PM. Given condition is that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. See, in this question we have to prove that these two triangles are similar. In this question we have already given these two triangles are similar. So we have to prove here is that AB upon PQ is equals to AD upon PM. The meaning is we have to prove that triangle ABD and triangle PQM are similar to each other. If we can prove that the two triangles are similar, we can prove that AD upon PQ is equals to AD upon PM. So how we can do this? These two triangles are similar, so their corresponding parts are also will become equal. So we can write down the condition here is that their corresponding sides are in proportion. AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR is equals to CA upon RP, and all the corresponding angles are also equal. So we can write down that angle ABC will become equal to angle PQR, angle angle ACB will become equal to angle BRQ, and third angle, that is angle BAC will become equal to angle QPR. So these all things we can write down because the two triangles we have given the similar. Now which condition we can use from this all the things to prove that ABD and PQM, right? We can take one of the thing is that AB and PQ, AB upon PQ, right? Okay, these two things we have to pick from here, that AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR. Now one more thing we have given is that AD is the median of side BC and PM is the median of side QR. So in this condition, instead of BC, we can write down 2 into AD. The same thing we have done here, right? So we can write down that AB upon PQ is equals to 2BD upon 2QN. When this 2 and 2 will cancel out each other, what will remain here is AB upon PQ is equals to BD upon QM. Right? AB upon PQ is equals to BD upon QM. This is the first condition we have to consider. Now, here, one of the angle we can use, that is ABC and PQR. Instead of ABC, we can write down ABD, angle ABD. And instead of angle PQR, we can write down the PQM, angle PQM. Give me the equation. Now see, in the two triangle ABD and PQM, in triangle ABD and triangle PQM. In both these triangles, two sides are in proportion, that is AB upon PQ is equals to BD upon QM. And included angle of these two sides, that is ABD and PQM, are also equal. So from 1 and 2, from equation number 1 and 2, now we can write down that triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM, right? Because which criteria? We can write down by side angle side rule, right? We can write down it by side angle side. The two triangles are similar, then the corresponding sides are in the proportion. So here we can write down that AB upon PQ is equals to BD upon QM. BD upon QM is equals to AD upon PM. AD upon PM. And what is, we have to prove that AB upon PQ is equals to AD upon QM. So out of these three, we can take the two conditions, that is AB upon PQ is equals to AD upon PM. Right? So in this way, we can prove this type of sum. So this is proved that we have to prove here. So this is all about this lecture. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us.